How does osteoarthritis affect aging joints, and what treatments are currently available? With millions facing joint pain as they age, breakthrough therapies could change life quality dramatically. Osteoarthritis is a degenerative joint disease that worsens with age. It affects the cartilage, the protective tissue cushioning joints. As cartilage breaks down, bones rub together, causing pain, swelling, and reduced mobility. This chronic condition impacts millions worldwide, often limiting daily activities and quality of life. Researchers at Stanford University recently pinpointed an enzyme involved in cartilage wear as we age. In mouse models, blocking this enzyme helped thicken worn cartilage, suggesting a potential way to reverse some joint damage. This discovery opens new avenues for medical treatments targeting the root causes of osteoarthritis progression. The University of Colorado Boulder made headlines with a novel slow-release drug delivery system injected directly into damaged joints. This method allows targeted treatment over time, potentially reducing pain and promoting healing without invasive surgery. Such innovations could transform osteoarthritis management, improving patient outcomes. Further research identified the enzyme 15-PGDH as a culprit in cartilage degradation with age. Inhibiting this enzyme helped recover cartilage health in experimental models. Targeting 15-PGDH may be a promising strategy to slow or reverse osteoarthritis progression in aging adults. What this means for you is hope for less pain and greater mobility as you age. Emerging treatments could soon offer more effective joint repair options beyond painkillers or surgery. Stay informed and talk to your doctor about these advances. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest health breakthroughs.